When you are happy, when you are loving, when you are caring and compassionate, you are less self-preoccupied. And the same goes for gratitude. When you are grateful, you are less concerned about your worries and fear, because when you practice gratitude, all those fears and worries will dissipate slowly but surely. And the more you are grateful, all those qualities I just mentioned above will just grow in you. So not only are you less self-preoccupied, but you are more caring for others, for the world, for events in your life, for circumstances in your life, but more importantly, you're more caring for yourself. Gratitude does not mean that you will not face adversity, failures, negative people in your life. It just means that not only are you grateful for the good things of your life, you are also thankful for the lessons you gain from all those negative things that might occur in your life. Because the growing pains of life will make you a wiser, more loving, and more compassionate and more patient person. So yes, it's amazing to be grateful for all the things neutral and good you have in your life, but also learn to be thankful in those moments that does not seem to be something to be grateful for, but they truly are. If you can't be grateful, if you do not practice gratitude, you are at the mercy of being someone who will worry, fear, and complain, because you don't really have anything to counter that. Nature abhors a vacuum. So if you're not truly implanting this attitude of gratitude in your life, you will become someone that will likely complain and have lack in their lives instead of abundance. That's an amazing one for law of attraction practitioner like myself and like yourself. If you focus too much on what you want in a negative way, which means that you are always in lack, you can easily forget what you already have in your life and be happy for what is here right now. It's amazing to have desire and to fulfill them, but do not ever let what you want make you forget that the present moment is a gift. Once you express gratitude in all aspects of your life, with people around you, with yourself, with events, with things, with pets, with animals, whatever the case might be, everything will become more luminous, brighter, shinier, better, more wholesome. So when you express that gratitude, when you push yourself, when you put effort in expressing that gratitude, even at the beginning when it does not feel good, it will become so much more worthwhile. So put in the effort, it's all worth it.